Hello Fanatics, welcome to Diamond Painting Fanatics. I have an unboxing for you today, but I thought while you're sitting there drinking your cup of tea, watching my unboxing, I thought I would switch it up a bit and try something new. I can only come up with 8. I'm going to give you 8 hints as to what canvas I am unboxing. And when you've got it, let me know in the description, in the comments, sorry, the description box is mine. In the comments, let me know on what clue you guessed the correct canvas. It's just something fun, and I thought it might bring a bit of life into the unboxing. Okay, so clue number 1. This is my favourite company. And if you've been watching for a while, you will know that I have placed 2 large orders for this company. And yeah, so that's clue number 1. If you don't know who my favourite company is, let me just take the outer packaging off. Their parcels arrive like this. Who's it from? Diamond Art Studio. Ta-da! But I'm not going to show you that one today. No, no, no. We have this one. Okay, so clue number 3. It is a 40. No, hang on. It's a 50 by 65. And it's the biggest one they do with this canvas. There is a smaller one that is 40 by 50. You do know you can choose between round and square. This one is a square kit. So, because this is an unboxing as well, I will be unboxing it as we go. But have I got you all baffled is the question. So, I'm just going to keep the canvas out of the way for a minute. Clue number 4. Don't know where that other finger went, but 4. These are drills. So I have to keep that covered up because I know Sam and hubby are playing along right now. I don't want them to see the code on the back. Does that help any? Look at that. So that is the drills. Let's go this way. You can see all the gorgeous colours in there. Okay. Are we still guessing? Good, good, good. The legend on the scalloped canvas to stop the fraying, which is awesome. There is 37 colours in this canvas. Look at that. Clue number 6, because 5 was the legend, to see if that helped you any. Number 6, it is on page 4 on their website, and yes, I went and looked and checked. So that's narrowed it down. Clue number 7. 2 people in my group, Tracy and Daniel, to my knowledge, have done this canvas. They have already done it. So I'm going to reveal just a little bit now. Ooh. Can you see that? That's probably giving it away. Clue number 8, the final clue. I have been harvesting this canvas for a little while now. Meaning it's been sat here to one side, ready to be unboxed. Are we ready, guys? Shall we put you out of your misery? This is going to look gorgeous. I have seen it completed. Ta-da! How amazing is that? There you go. It's summer fruit. Did you get it? Did you get it? That's what I want to know. So yeah, look at that. How amazing is this going to be? There's the greens. Dun, dun, dun. Look at the drill field. This is going to be awesome. I have seen this completed, and you could literally take a knife and fork to it. It looks really, really good. Had to be done. So, this is from Diamond Art Studio, of course. I will link their website and Facebook and Instagram down below. Please do go check them out. They are awesome. They do ship internationally. They offer you a toolkit, no toolkit, wax only, and they do divine canvases. They do absolutely divine canvases. And look at this. Poured glue, not double-sided. Awesome. Gorgeous. That's going to be divine. And it's already sat on the table in the background. So let's just pull this up so you can see. It's going to look good enough to eat. And as I said earlier, it's got 37 colours in there. So there you go, guys. I hope that was a little bit of fun and different for you. And it's about time I put you guys to work as well. So thank you so much for joining me. I hope you've enjoyed the unboxing. If you would like me to do this going forward, yeah, let me know, because I don't know these things until I try them. So yeah, thank you for another amazing canvas. Diamond Art Studio, you're amazing. Love, hugs and sparkles to you all. Bye.